Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve if any key is not working in your Windows 10 or 11, 7 or 8 or any version of Windows. So you can try this method. I'm not sure, but hopefully this will work for some users. So if any key not working like shift key or caps lock control key, so you can try this method. First search device manager, open device manager. Now here expand keyboard, this one. Now right click on your keyboard driver and update one by one. Search control panel, open control panel. Now large icons and ease of access center. Now here make the keyboard easier to use. Turn off these sticky keys, toggle keys and filter keys. So turn off these and unselect these all keys to make easier. If any keys is selected, so unselect like this. Then apply, then click on OK. Now close and restart your system and try. Hopefully this method will work and resolve any key not working. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.